Hello Electroheads, it's Eilis here and we are in a very rainy Stratford because today, I don't know if you've guessed, but I'm going to be learning how to ride an e-skate for the first time. And we've got Billy here, an expert, as you can see, whizzing around to show me how. Let's go. Alright guys, well we've made it out of the rain and we are now in this beautiful tunnel to begin my e-skate journey, and Billy has got 5 top tips to get me started on the board, which you can also use at home as well. I know that you have probably seen Billy before.
What? And it...
But today it's all about me. Where do we start?
So first and foremost, kick pushing. It may seem funny at first to kick push on an electric skateboard, but it's the easiest way to get used to an electric skateboard, especially at the speed that it does when you pull the trigger. When you do a kick push, you want to have your foot right at the very front of the board, and you want to be trigger ready, basically. When you push off, you simply push off like a normal skateboard. As you push and you step onto the board, then you accelerate. I'm
just going to kick push first without using the accelerator. I think that's probably a wise move, and then as I get a little bit better, we can start using the buttons. Let's do a kick push! Woo! Do you know what, I used to board when I was way younger, and already it's kind of coming back to me. I think I can touch the accelerator, you know. I won't. I think I just need to learn how to actually stand on this properly first.
You've definitely nailed the kick pushing, and I think you're ready to move on to the next step, which is stance. So see here, it drops down, and then at the back it does the same thing.
Yeah.
What you want to do is essentially put your feet in those positions. So this foot here, you want to line it up with that, and that foot there, put the same way. But then this foot, you want to have it slightly pointed like this, whereas this foot is straight.
Okay, I was going to say, because that felt quite wide, but that feels a little bit better now.
So you should feel better with your toe essentially pointing forward.
Yeah.
So next up, like I say, relax your body, feel super loose, super relaxed, ready to ride. What you want to do is bend both knees, but bend your front knee more than your back.
Okay, right.
Finally, what you want to do is your chest wants to be facing me, but your head wants to be facing the direction you're going. There we go. And remember, nice and sensitive with the trigger.
There we go. Always lean forward. I kind of want to go a bit faster. This is the thing. I got the need for speed.
One last thing I want to say though, try not to be a stick man.
Yeah,
try and be super relaxed. When I say relaxed, your whole body is honestly got to be like like you're melting basically.
Now, what's step 3?
Step 3 is turning. When you want to turn, you get into your stance that you want to do, and pretty much your waist does all the turning. So if you want to turn left, for us, as being goofy, it means we have our right foot forward. So essentially with our waist, to go left, you move your waist above that edge of the board. So essentially you keep it up like this, and your toes automatically go down, your heels automatically come up. And then after that.
Okay, so I'm in my stance.
Yep.
Yeah?
That's it.
Okay, so I'm going
to move your waist just above the edge of the board.
Like that.
There we go, that's it. And as you turn it.
Kick, push, accelerate, and turn.
And stance.
oh yeah, kick, push, and stance.
Don't forget your stance.
Ready? Okay, I'm going to turn towards you. And away from you. There we go. All right, so I feel like I'm making progress. That's step 1, 2, and 3 in the can. Woo!
I need to hop on the one wheel. You're starting to go too fast for me now. So I think you're ready for the next step, and that is braking. How to stop.
I have to say, I'm actually pretty petrified about this one.
Do the same as you've been doing on the accelerator, is press the brake very, very carefully. One thing I do want to mention though, is when you do it, see how when you accelerate, you lean forward. When you brake, you actually shift your weight backwards.
And so I need to start on this hill?
I'd reckon so, yeah. And there we go. Number 5 is sort of like an overall tip. Don't ride as fast as you can run. The reason I say this is essentially if you were to fall off your board for whatever reason and you're going faster than what you can actually physically run, chances are if you're going to fall, you're going to fall. Whereas if you're going as fast as you can run, as soon as you jump off the board, you can basically run off the board and you'll be fine.
Let's go, guys! All right, so after that ride, number 5 does make a lot of sense. I feel like I was going at a speed where it wasn't quite a run. I think any faster and I probably would have stacked it. So yeah, thanks so much for all those tips, Billy.
You're welcome.
Anyway, I think it's about time that I scooted home.